Get a free copy of Altium software using the link provided in this video description. When you sign up for an Altium Designer free trial, you will get an Altium 365 and 25% off discount. Hello and welcome to a new lesson. Today we will learn how to make a PCB in Altium Designer. The circuit that we want to create is a 2-channel relay module. We will start from the schematic to the PCB, and finally we will get a 3D view like this. So let's get started. First we will create a new project from File, New, Project. Change the project name to Relay Module. Select the folder and hit Create. Then we will add a schematic and PCB files to the project folder. And save the two files to the same project file. Then we will open the schematic sheet. This is the circuit that we want to build. If you want to know more information about this component, you have to go to Octopart website and read the datasheet of that component. Now we want to download the library of that component, so we have to go to SnapEDA website and download the library of that component. Now we want to add the library to the project. Double click to the library name and hit extract. Now we want to add the 3D model to the footprint. From Place, 3D Body, select the 3D model and hit Open. Now we want to rotate the body. And drag it here. Now we want to add the footprint to the schematic. Hit OK, OK, and delete the empty one Then we will add the PCB to the PCB library and the schematic to the schematic library. Then we will do the same thing to other libraries. Now we will go to schematic and we will get all the components that we want. We will go to component and drag and drop all the components that we need to the workspace. Now we want to connect all the components according to the circuit. If you notice, there is an error because there is a many components have the same name. To solve that error, we go to Tools, Annotation Schematic, and select the style, hit All On, Update Change List, OK, Accept the changes, Validate the changes, Execute the changes, and Close. Now we will convert the schematic circuit to a PCB. So we will go to Design, Update PCB Document, and hit Validate, Execute. Then we will select all the component and drag it to the workspace. Now we want to rearrange all the components. Now we want to draw the cover track, so we will go to Route, Auto Route, All, Route All, and that's it. Now we will change the board shape, so we will go to View, Board Blending Mode, then we will go to Design, Edit Board Shape, then we will change the board to fit all the components. This is the final shape. Hopefully this video will be useful for you, and thank you for listening.
This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.